I hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to tell you about remote jobs. In this video, I'm going to tell you about 4 websites which are going to be very useful for you guys and you can earn money from them. You can work from home. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, we are going to search a website. The name of website is Indeed. Now what you have to do, you have to simply write the Indeed website Indeed and then press the enter. After pressing the enter, as you can see, we have a website which is called Indeed. Now you have to click on it. After clicking on it, as you can see here, you are going to get a lot of jobs. You can work from home. You can also relocate for these jobs. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply follow the steps and you have to create an account on this website. After creating this account, you have to make a CV. You have to design a CV for you guys. You have to enter your data. You have to enter your education, experience, qualification, skills, and all details you have to enter in this website. After that, the CV automatically will be generated, and through that CV you can apply on any job. So here I'm going to show you that how you can apply on any jobs. So first of all, you have to create an account. After creating an account, you have to make a CV. After making a CV, now you can apply for any job. So first of all, we are going to search for a job. For example, I'm going to search for a job which is called data entry. After data entry, you have to select the location. You have to select the city name or country name where you want that job. For example, I want this job in Karachi. So after selecting the Karachi, you have to click on the find jobs. After that, you are going to see the jobs related this in city. If you will click on this job, you will see the details of this job, what will be salary, what will be requirements, and what is the job description. So these are the basic details. You have to simply click on the job. After clicking on the job, you are going to see here the details of the job you want to apply. You can read them carefully, and after reading that you can apply on the job. So this is a simple and easiest way that how you can apply on remote jobs on Indeed website. After that, we have another website which is called Simply Hired, which is similar to Indeed. You have to simply write the Simply Hired and press the enter. After Simply Hired, you have to click on it. So as you can see, we have the same pattern which was in Indeed. Simply what you have to do, you have to search for the job. For example, I want the job of data entry remote, and then press the enter. After pressing the enter, you are going to see a lot of jobs related. Sorry, I have selected the wrong location. I'm going to delete this one and then search for the job. As you can see, you are going to see a lot of data entry jobs. Data entry collect. This is the remote. Remote means you can work from the home, and after that you can read the completion of after that you can read the job description, what will be the responsibilities, what should be your qualification, and additional information of the job. So this is the simple and easiest way that how you can. So here you also have to create the account first. After that you have to submit your information like experience, qualification, all the things, and then automatically your CV will be generated, and then you can apply through that CV. So this is the simple. After that, we have another website which is called LinkedIn. So this is we can say that this is a social media platform as well as a remote job website which can be very useful. You can also learn from here and you can also earn from here through getting the jobs and applying on them. So this is a very useful for you guys. You can say this is also going to be like a CV for you guys. So simply what you have to do, you have to make a profile here. After making a profile, you have to enter your details, your experience, your qualification, your skills, and then simply you have to search for the job, or you can go to jobs section. After going to the job section, simply you have to select the job, which job you want to apply. Click on the video editor if you want to apply on job like this. Simply you have to click on the job like video editor, senior video editor, and if you want any other job, you have to simply click here like data entry job and data entry operator, then press the enter. After pressing the enter, you're going to see the jobs related data entry operator or data entry or whatever. Click on this one if you want to apply. Simply you have to read the job description and all the things about the job. After that you can simply easily apply and you can follow these steps. These are the best things. I am not going to apply on this job. This is not similar to my skills. So after that we have another website which is called Seek. After writing the Seek, press the enter and then click on this one. On this website you are going to see the job. Almost these all jobs will be in Australia. You can see in other countries too. I'm going to select for the data entry. Sorry, let me correct the spelling. data entry, and then press the enter. After pressing the enter, you are going to see like office administration and administrative assistant, and then these are the all jobs you can apply on these jobs too. So this is here you are also going to see the same pattern that you have to sign in the website. After that, you have to sign in the website. After signing in, you have to enter your education, enter your qualification, enter your experience. After that, you can easily apply on any job through that information. So I hope you guys understand this video and you are going to use these four and all websites which are going to be very useful for you guys. So see you in the next video.